Hi everyone, and welcome to part 5 of our Best Gifts of 2022 series. In this episode, the theme is yummy treats, and as with the already published videos in this series, as well as episodes still to come, we are shopping multiple value retailers to find the most impressive gift options at the least expensive prices. Since we are looking at food options in this episode, we also added Aldi and Trader Joe's to our stops. However, these stores had so many amazing products at excellent prices that we had to cover those in an entirely different episode. As for the rest of these stores, most did have some really nice options. However, the stores with the most impressive and even high-end offerings at the best prices were Dollar General, and you guessed it, Dollar Tree. Let's start with Dollar General, where they had a wide selection of options in beautiful packaging from $1 to $6. This year, I'm making a concerted effort to make self-contained gift sets that don't require a container or fill, to cut back on both expense and waste. So I try to find pieces that will create a base to which I can add other pieces on top, and this beautiful Russell Stover tin for just $5.50 fits the bill perfectly. And since the price is on the outside, it can be easily peeled off. And then this set comes together quickly and easily with the addition of these 2 hot cocoa balls for $1 each and a box of this peanut brittle also for $1. And then we see here how the tin forms the base with the peanut brittle in the middle and one of the hot cocoa balls to either side. A beautiful gift for just $8.50. For the next gift set, I took 4 of those hot cocoa balls and taped them together to create a base for this carton of Elf on the Shelf cookies. Now this makes a cute little cookies and cocoa gift at just $7, but if you wanted to add a little something to it, Dollar General also has these adorable cookie tins with cookies already in them for just $3. Add one of these to the previous set to create an even more substantial gift for just $10. But wait, there's more! Dollar General also has these popcorn tins in several attractive packaging options for just $6, bringing this enormous tower in at just $16. What a great gift for a family, or make this as a white elephant gift and you know everyone's going to be fighting over this one. And if you need something a little bit more grown up than Elf on the Shelf, you can always top the tower with one of these beautiful Christmas tins for only $1, then fill with a treat of your choice. But remember, the bigger the tin, the more you have to fill. For example, this Christmas tree tin is beautiful and only costs $1, but this $3.25 bag of candy only partially fills it. A couple of options here. 1, you could buy more candy, or 2, you can add some filler to the bottom like this tissue paper, or 3, you can choose another treat that has more bulk. For example, this bag of strawberry bonbons that I also got from Dollar General only cost $1 and had enough candy in it to fill the tin. Additionally, I have seen this particular candy used in towers from higher-end gift basket retailers, but this one will only set you back $2. And then lastly, I just wanted to point out that the bag of Hershey's candy does fill the smaller tin completely without any filler. And another great option for the smaller tins is this bag of Andy's candies, coming in at just $2.24, and the combo with the tin would only be $3.24. And now here we see the tower, this time topped with the Christmas tree tin, coming in at about $15 depending on what you decide to fill the tin with. And now here is a combo perfect for my children since they love making hot cocoa and adding Ghirardelli peppermint bark. This set of candy cane spoons forms the perfect base with the decadent Ovation cocoa and Ghirardelli peppermint bark on top. What a great gift, coming in at about $8. And then for the caramel lovers, Dollar General also had the Ghirardelli squares in caramel, which I thought paired perfectly with a box of Starbucks caramel flavored K-Cups. And then a cute ornament for $1 pulls the 2 pieces together, completing the set. And this set comes in at about $15, including the ornament, which is a little steep relative to the sets we saw earlier in the video. However, compared to a store-bought Starbucks gift at about the same price, which only has a mug and a single pack of cocoa, it's a far more valuable and robust gift. And then when I wrapped it, I did place the ornament to the outside after I wrapped the gift. And then before moving on to other gift set types, here is one final tower made from selections of Ovation and Ferrero Rocher chocolates, all purchased again at Dollar General. I'll use the Ferrero collection as the base and then arrange the others on top. And I want to point out that for the most part, I will be leaving these gift sets unwrapped so that you can better see the components and how I arrange them. But if you are looking for tips on wrapping as well as other pro tips on gift baskets and sets, check out my 10 Secrets of Professional Look Gift Baskets, which I will link here and in the description. And now we will be moving on to container gift sets, where we'll actually use containers to hold the components instead of nesting and stacking the components as in the previous examples. And there are volumes of supply come the holidays for sweet treat options that you can mix and match from Dollar General or Dollar Tree or virtually every other retailer out there. I would recommend, however, looking for items that are color coordinated. And if you have any kind of garish labels or prices, you can just use something like ribbon or stickers to cover them. And in that same effort to cut down on waste and expense, consider reusing containers you may already have or shopping thrift stores. I found all of these wonderful containers at my local thrift store for just a few dollars, and all of them are much nicer than I could buy new for the same price, and it goes to help a really good cause. And the item doesn't need to already have a holiday theme. I recently published an ornaments hacks video where I took items from the house or items I had thrifted and gave them a quick holiday upgrade with inexpensive $1 ornaments. For example, this plain white bucket got a holiday upgrade with this adorable ski ornament from Dollar Tree. And then that became a festive container for this collection of holiday treats. Not bad for something that was hanging around the house. Another basket from the thrift store got an upgrade from this tin ornament from Dollar Tree, and then became the home of this collection of sweet treats. The total cost of this gift set comes in under $10, but looks like something that cost much more. And then what about that adorable snowman? Well, that same group of treats found its way to his hat to create this fabulous gift, costing only about $12. And then one more thrift container with this adorable sleigh that once held a Teleflora arrangement. I added some floral foam and evergreen picks to the sleigh, and then attached skewers to the backs of a selection of color-coordinated candy bars. These gummy lollipops had some excess cellophane that I wanted to tidy up, so I just folded it around the lollipop and taped it in the back. Then I arranged the candies in the back of the sleigh, inserting the skewers into the foam. And then look how pretty this all comes together, a piece that would easily cost well over $50 at a florist, but you can quickly and easily DIY it for about $12. But if you feel that you do want a container and that container should be new, have no fear. Dollar General and Dollar Tree have you covered with some great options that only cost about $1 or $2. I'm kicking things off in this section with this beautiful North Pole box from Dollar General. They're beautifully made, and this one is $2, but there is a smaller one for $1. Now what I did first was fill the box with some shred, and then I'm going to take the lid and tape that to the bottom of the box. And then for the components, I'm going to use the peanut brittle, one of these Hershey Kiss canes, and a bag of caramel corn. Then there's a spot right here for one of those hot cocoa balls. And then here it is, wrapped up with a pretty bow, and it only costs about $8. And then as for those little treat buckets, you can fill those more or less depending on your budget, or use as a holder for a treat bag filled with loose candy as shown in the middle. And then all I did there was take one of the little buckets and add some tissue paper to the bottom. Then I took a treat bag and filled it with loose candy, adding a bow and a little ornament to the top. And then I just took that bag and placed it inside for a great little gift. And then for the coffee lovers, Dollar General had beautiful mugs, including this one for just $2. In addition, they had a box of Folgers single-serve coffees, and the box of 7 cost just 99 cents. To the cup, I'm going to add this $1 box of Pyroline cookies and then arrange the coffee packets in front of that. Wrap that up with some cellophane and add a bow, and you have a beautiful gift for under $5. And now I'll be transitioning over to Dollar Tree finds, starting with these retro-style mugs that I just love. I don't think they're too great for actually drinking out of, but they make adorable containers for holiday treats. And so I just grabbed a selection of Dollar Tree candy, and you can see how cute this all comes together. And they do also have regular mugs, and since we did a coffee already, I'm going to make this one a hot cocoa with these Santa Melts in the red packaging, along with a green package of Rice Krispie treats. I will also include one of those peppermint spoons, and we'll use some double-sided tape to attach it to the side of my cocoa package. Now another cup option that Dollar Tree has are these travel mugs, and I just took the top off of that and with some tape just attached the top to the bottom of the cup. Then I'm going to just use those same fillers and make another great gift option. One of my favorite things to get at Dollar Tree are these beautiful boxes to make box gift sets. You can fill the box with shred and then lay the components right on top, like these high-end chocolates that I also got from Dollar Tree. And then all you need to do is replace the lid and you're good to go. And then to kick it up another notch, I took a mini ornament and just attached it there to the top. And now here are a couple more options with these Dollar Tree boxes. Now I love these because they're so thin and they create a great fit for our gift set components. Like for example here, I just have 3 of the beef jerky. It's like a little beef jerky variety set, and it fits so nicely into these boxes. And then on the other side, I have beef jerky with some almonds. And again, it just creates, it looks like it's almost, made for that box. So for about $4, you have a wonderful little gift. And now here is another option with the boxes. And I just wanted to show you this other one as well, just because I wanted to show how if you don't have the box or they don't have the components, you could always mix and match and find things that will fit the boxes that they have or vice versa. So just wanted to show you that, and also wanted to show you these cookie boxes that they also have. Now these come to a pack, and they're really nice because they have the little window on the top. And so with just these little components, now these are all happen to be little European components. So the Nutella, the Stroopwafels, and the Bueno. So I just thought that was a cute little European box, and here with the little red truck, how cute that looks all together. And now keeping with that see-through theme, I'm also loving jars and vases and other types of glass and acrylic containers. And so now what I'm doing is I'm taking some of the cashews and the Russell Stover candy bars, and I just kind of tape back the edges, and I'm placing them into the jar with the top facing down or pointing down. And so I'm going to just alternate them, cashew candy bar. And then once all of the contents are in, I just put a little piece of tissue paper there in between and then capped up the jar again. Now since this particular jar has kind of a thick lid, I decided I was going to flip them over. That's why I put the candy bars in upside down and create kind of a base for this. So have the cap create a base, and then I took this little snow globe and I'm going to just glue that to the top of the jar. Next, I'm going to take one of the Dollar Tree cylinder vases. This is the smaller one. And then some of the longer candies. This is the Russell Stover caramel, and now one of the nut rolls. And then I'm also going to use 2 of those long skinny Lindor chocolates in the red packaging. And then also one of these peppermint bark will go next to that. And then the second lint tall skinny on the other side, and then some tissue paper again in the center to hold everything in place. And then here you can see how pretty everything looks all the way around the outside of the vase. And I'm going to do the same thing with some of the pistachios and beef jerky to create a savory one as well. And then these little hat ornaments that the Dollar Tree have make the perfect lid for the jar. And then I can just tape those down. I have one in the black and red and then one in the white and red, and they'll just make a great little gift for anyone really on your list. And then here is another look at all 3 of the glass jars. And now for some more traditional style gift baskets, but again, still using a see-through container. So I'm going to start with this beautiful selection of different snack items in this gorgeous purple shade. And I'm going to go ahead and just, if you watch the top 10 secrets of professional gift baskets, you know that I always like to remove that retail packaging where I can. So if you can cut off the retail packaging, it does give a more professional look, but in some cases you can't do it. So, that just has to stay as is, but where you can cut it off, it always is a good idea. It does give a more finished and professional look. And so I'm just going ahead and placing all the components into my little container that I got from the Dollar Tree. Those are in the party section, those little plastic acrylic containers, and it just looks so pretty all together. Now I'm going to do a blue version, the same thing, again just using all of these blue components that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And what I really like about this is just gives it a nice modern clean look, as well as the fact that you don't need any shred. And then here is a green version, and of course you can do it any color that you wish. These were the products my Dollar Tree happened to have, so I got a bunch of these colors, but either way, whichever color, it makes a great little gift for about $7. Now here is another container that I found in the party section. Loving this one, but I don't know how often they're going to have that one. I know the other one is more popular, or at least has been around longer. But in this case, I'm again getting some color coordinated snack items. These are in black and gold primarily. But again, I think that acrylic just gives such a fresh, clean, modern look. And that black and gold just looks so sophisticated. And it comes in at about $7. Well, I hope you have enjoyed part 5 of our Best Gifts of 2022 series, highlighting yummy treats from Dollar General and Dollar Tree. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to give a big thumbs up and let us know in the comments which one was your favorite. And if you have not yet seen episodes 1 through 4, please be sure to check those out to get some great gift ideas for spa and bath, sports, games and fitness, hobbies and interests, and those hard to buy for teen and young adults. Also, don't forget to check out episode 6, Gourmet Indulgences, for awesome finds from Aldi and Trader Joe's and fabulous ideas on how to gift them, which will be out next week or may already be published depending on when you're watching this video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.